guys, happy Planner Wednesday, and this spread is going to be from June the 11th through June the 17th. And let me show you what I'm going to be doing this week. I watched a movie and it's called Miracle in the Rain. It's a very old classic movie, and my mother-in-law loaned it to us. And while my mother was here recuperating after her surgery, we all watched it, and I'm going to tell you, it's a great movie, but you are going to need a ton of tissues. It is so sad. So I made my own stickers based on that, and then let me show you the paper. I chose this paper. I've had it for quite a while. It came in a paper pad that I had from Joann's, but the one that has the letter written on it, because she writes him letters. And then this just reminds me of the softness that I think that is in this movie. And then this washi that I got at Dollar Tree, it just has like a song written all around it with the musical notes. And there's a song in this movie as well. And I'm just going to be using a Paper Mate pink marker that I got from the Dollar Tree. And it is pouring the rain down, so you may be able to hear that. Okay, and I'm so glad that everybody loved my little monkey theme. I enjoyed doing that so much. So let's take my pages out of my planner. Okay, and when I've decided that I want this paper to be the dominant theme, so we're going to cut this one first. But it is a wonderful, wonderful movie. Okay, let's start putting our paper down here. But this movie is starring Jane Wyman and Van Johnson, and it's set in 1942. And it is just such a sweet movie. I love it. But like I said, it is so sad. But I highly recommend it. Okay, let's start putting our paper down. Oh, I think this is going to be gorgeous. It's going to give me the exact feel I was looking for. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and start putting our washi down. And like I said many times before, I love Dollar Tree washi. This is some of the new that they had out, and I really do like it. I wish I had gotten more of this particular type. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. So here, like I said, I made my own stickers, and this just shows how it looks on the DVD, Miracle in the Rain, and I'm going to put that right up here. And then this, she's a secretary in New York in 1942, and he's in the military, and he's from Tennessee, and he just came into New York. He's stationed nearby, and he meets her while she's leaving to go home. She lives with her mother, and she's carrying groceries, and he just starts this conversation and literally will not let her go away. I mean, he just keeps up with her. He won't give up. And he ends up talking himself into riding the bus home with her. I think I'll put this one right here. And then he just keeps endearing himself to her, and she really starts to fall for him. But her mother is afraid that she'll get hurt because her husband left her and this girl when she was younger, and her father wrote music. And here is where they went to an auction, and she purchased this Roman coin, and she's looking at it. I think I'll put that one right about here. And then here is where she's actually, and he went out with her and her friend that she works with. He's just such a sweet, wonderful person. And here she's actually given him the Roman coin as a gift. And so now they're actually dating in this picture, and they're at Central Park. and they're just sitting on the grass. And he thinks he has a lot of time until he's deployed. And then here is a picture that another serviceman took of them in Central Park together. I think I'll put that one right here. And I don't want to spoil it for you, so here she is on the bridge talking to her friend. I'll put that right here because she's gotten some rather bad news. And here she's going into a Catholic church to light a candle because this saint, I forget which one it is always in the dark, and she says she doesn't want him to be in the dark, and she's really sick. But she's going out in the rain and everything just to be with this, so this saint won't be in the dark. And then this is the end. It shows her at the church with Van Johnson hugging her. And I don't want to ruin it for you, so I won't tell you what's going on. Okay, and I'm going to put that one right there. And I think that is gorgeous. So let me write just a few things that I need to do. Okay. Let's put this back in my planner and take a look at it, but I really do love how it turned out. But this is such a good movie. I really recommend that you watch it. But like I said, have a lot of tissues because it's really sad. Okay. Oh, I love that. And she writes him letters throughout. And then this musical, I picked this washi because when he came to have dinner with her at her mother's house, he played the piano, and there was a song that his father had written but didn't have any words to it. And he, along with another buddy, put words to it. So that's where that's coming in. But I love the paper. It's kind of the softness of the entire movie. And then I love my stickers. And I love this washi. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.